Lord here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. Today we're playing Deal the Cards by William Clarke on a D harmonica. Don't go anywhere. If you enjoyed today's lesson, remember to click like, share the video, and also subscribe to my channel for free harmonica lessons every single week. So in today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the first section of Deal the Cards, the first 12 bars. There's actually a 24 bar intro to the song, and then there's a massive solo in the middle, and there's an outro as well. So if you'd like to learn the full song, and believe me, it's absolute dynamite, then you can download that via the link to the premium lesson beneath this video. I also have a members zone on my website allowing you access to all of my premium lessons, including a new premium lesson every single week for $19.99 a month, and there's a link beneath the video to that as well. So just a note on the version of the song I'm using, I have two copies of the same recording. One is from the Early Years Volume 2 and the other is from Rockin' the Boat. They're both taken, it sounds like, from a live gig because there's a little introduction, someone introducing the band at the start. And that's the only version I have of this song. It's the same on both those albums. I'm not sure if there's other versions out there, but that's the version I'm using. So before we get started, let's have a listen to the track. So I'm going to play you the 24 bar intro to the song. So here we go. Just something I just realised listening to it then, remembered that it's actually a 28 bar intro because there's a 4 bar, he starts on the 5 chord for the last 4 bars of the 12 bars, and then there's another 2 sets of 12 bars, so 28 bars in total. So you can follow the tab on the screen. I'm going to break it down into phrases, so let's hear phrase A to begin with. Oops. So A, if I slow A down, is just... Okay, so we've got... So we've got 4 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw, 5 draw twice, 5 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw. Yeah. Now, the only other thing I was just listening out for then, is a little bit of kind of slapping. So if you're a tongue blocker and you can tongue slap, then try putting some slaps on some of those notes. Slapping is something, I have a bad habit of doing it too much. Almost every note I end up slapping when I'm playing that amplified blues stuff. And he is amplified, by the way, that's why he's getting that. I was going to say that's why he's getting that tone. He's a hell of a player, so that's why he's getting that tone. But the distinctive sort of overdriven sound is the amplified sound. But yeah, if you want to slap, then you can. Line B. Let's hear line B, full speed. And then slow it down. Okay. Okay, let's hear one more time. Yeah, that's really cool. So we've got 4 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw, and then 5 draw, 6 blow twice, and then 6 blow 3 times. And I'm splitting them up like that because they're triplets. Da 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 da. 1 2 3 2 2 3. So I'm kind of thinking in a separate sets of notes, even though we've got all those 6 blows, and then we've actually got another 6 blow, another triplet, 6 blow, 5 draw, 4 draw, and then 5 draw, and then a 4 draw that bends down, and then 3 draw, 2 draw. Cool. And then we have line C. Let's have a little listen to that. Obviously, it's all very fast. You're going to want to slow this down. I'm slowing it down to 50% speed on a program called Transcribe, which is really useful. There's a similar one called the Amazing Slow Downer, just software that helps you slow stuff down without changing the pitch of the song. So we slow that down. That's really nice. I love finishing on that one blow. That's really sweet. Okay, so we've got 2 draw full step bend, 2 draw natural, 3 draw semitone bend, and then 2 draw twice, 1 draw 1 blow, 1 draw, 2 draw, and then 2 draw full step bend, 1 draw bend, 1 blow. Now that takes us to the end of the 4-bar kind of turnaround thing, if you like, the last 4 bars pick up almost. And then line D is the start of the first 12 bars proper. So we're going to go line D up to line J for those first or those next 12 bars. So let's have a listen to D. Okay. That is cool. So powerful. William Clarke was such a powerful player, just kind of smashed you in the face, his music. Yeah. So we've got a just kind of scoop on 4 draw, starts with a semitone bend and comes up, and then a 5 draw held for 3 beats. And then, now this is a classic rundown, blues rundown from hole 4 to 2. So he's doing a little bit of a scoop up and then down again. It's kind of like a bell curve, the kind of wave of that note on 4. And then 3 draw, 2 draw. And then E kind of follows the pattern a bit. Okay, so the difference with E, it's got that little rundown at the end. So the extra notes are 2 draw, then 2 draw semitone bend, and then 2 draw full step bend. And that's a great little way of leading into the 4 chord. So the next phrase is played over the 4 chord, and by going dee-dee-doo, he's sort of signalled the chord, the upcoming chord change, which is a really cool thing to do in your playing. So let's hear line F. Okay, so similar set of notes. He hasn't put the 5 draw in, so it's got the same little rundown for the second half, but it's just that kind of scoop on the 4 and holding that note for 3 beats this time. Okay, and then line G. Ah, this is cool. You know why it's cool, or for me, why I like it? When someone plays a warble like this, it's on a 5 and 6 draw. First time I hear it, I think, oh, 4-5 draw warble. And then I go to play that 4-5 draw, and it's not high enough, so I then have to go, that's where it is. Because it's always my default to go 4-5 draw, 3 and 4 or 4 and 5. But he's doing a 5 and 6 draw warble. So he's holding that for 3 beats, and then the same little rundown. Really nice. We're hitting that 2 draw quite staccato, not holding it, just da-da-da-da. Just letting it stop, which is really nice as well. Really makes it punchy and gives it a lot of power. Okay, let's hear line H now. Wah, wah, So a couple of little scoops on the 3 draw. Wah, wah. Start with a bend and release, and then 1 draw held for a whole bar. And then line I. I think you're going to like this one. Let's have a listen to this. Yeah. So we've got 1 draw, and then full step bend on 2, 2 draw natural, 3 draw semitone bend, and then 2 draw twice and then 1 draw, and then 2 draw twice again, and then 1 draw, and then 1 blow, 1 draw, 2 draw. That's a really cool line. And then line J will take us to the end of this 12 bar set. So we've got that's not the line. Yeah, that's the one. So we got a 2 draw full step bend, 2 draw natural, 3 draw semitone bend, 2 draw double play twice, and then 1 draw, 1 blow, 1 draw, 2 draw, 2 draw full step bend, 1 draw, and 1 draw to finish. And that takes us to the end of that 16 bar set, if you like. So there's a whole extra 12 bar section for the rest of the intro, which is really, really cool. You heard it playing at the start of the lesson. If you want to learn that, and there's a massive solo in the middle and a little outro as well, then that is all available all together in a premium lesson which I have put together, and the link for that is beneath this video in the description. You can also check out my members zone. There's a link beneath the video. That allows you access to all of my premium lessons, including a new premium lesson every single week for $19.99 a month. So do check that out and feel free to email me with any questions about any of that. Before you go, remember to click like, share this video and subscribe to my channel for free harmonica lessons every single week. You can give me your comments and your requests in the comments beneath the video. You can also email contact@LearnTheHarmonica.com, and you can get in touch with me on social media. I'm on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram. Just search LearnTheHarmonica.com. Until I see you again, good luck with your practice and see you soon. Cheers.